Early evening is here as we get ready to reach the halfway point of the last official week of August. It is August 26th, 2025. Seeing Hayes here, good evening to you. 2041, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, along the Canadian Nationals. Superior Submain at milepost 353.17 with a video lined up for you. Another southbound on the way is following behind the southbound wood tick of the L56481 of the 26th, led by the CM5430. Got Givo to lead it on this one as it currently has an advanced approach indication. Let's check him out on the roll by as we lean back and get him. Here we go. As we have a gate drop. She's taking her sweet time down there. Or up there, I meant to say. Tier 4. Fast. M342, don't keep the using. Here's the last bit. COL is what that was. Man, I couldn't make out that car number very well there. But end of train device is going. And then he's going to do it for the M342. 41 of the 25th. And we'll do it for the 2890. And the MEI rebuild of the 3130 was previously GECX previously GECX 2041, one of the Tier 4 demos. Not bad. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Excuse me. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time. And I hope I will see you down the main line. See you and Hayes out.